first thing you want to do is pry off this whole surround plate. You get your pry tool along the edges. Just start at the bottom. There's just clips going all the way around the edges. So once you've got it started, you can usually just pull the rest of it off. Just pop the clips out. So all the bottoms out. Now it's just the top. Out. And then you can unplug your hazard button panel. This one, just push tab in. These ones push from the bottom. And this one, push in the middle and hook the grey part over the top. And that unplugs like that. Over here you've got the two USBs. They push out as well. Okay. And then popping this one out, it's just 4 T20 screws in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken the screws out, so now you can pull the whole screen out. The unit. Then remove each of these. The main quad lock just pushes down at the bottom. Push down the tab at the bottom, like that, to release it. Blue and the white are obviously the USB. It's the Wi-Fi, GPS, FM and DAB aerial. So the DAB aerial is the black one. So with your frame, you just want to strip down the original one and put everything in the same place on the new one. So this strip and this one, simply just unclip, just loosening the clips and placing them in the same place here. Same with this one, just unclip it around the edges, pushes into the same clips here. And same with the air vents and side pockets here. So there's no screws, everything just unclips. So you're just doing that one by one with each part. Load them up on the new frame. Just a correction, sorry, you do screw out these two screws on either side of this one to lift this part completely off. And then you unclip this bit from it. And then you just keep that. Goes into the new frame. You don't need that bit. Plugged it all in, all ready to go. Main harness, just make sure this little green plug is connected into the right one. As you can see, there's a couple of different ones here. So it just needs to go into the one that these two green wires are coming off, just like that. Make sure that's in, or the steering wheel controls won't work. Got my two USB cables. I'm doing DAB and dash cam with these, otherwise you can put them in the glove box. My SIM card holder in the glove box, just fed it through there. Put my microphone up here and I've fed it through on the steering wheel. And everything is all ready to plug in. Just with these two, these can be stuck down on any flat plastic surface. I just stick them down in here. Don't overthink it, they can go anywhere.